Chapter 8. Facebook Ads Reporting. After publishing the campaign, so what next? Of course, you can wait a little bit of time to allow some results to happen, but soon after publishing your campaign, you will need to analyze the data and take action to optimize it. You can see what is working and apply the new insights both to existing and use the data to inform future campaign planning. Remember? No unattended campaign will last forever. No matter how amazing your campaign is, you need to monitor it to check how it is performing and when it's time to refresh it. In this chapter we will address about the campaign result. Facebook Ads Reporting. The easiest way to review your campaign performance is to use the Facebook Ads Manager. Here, you can filter your campaigns by dates, objectives, etc. and zoom in any campaign to measure the performance of every single ad set or ad. Do not forget to set the correct date range when checking your ad reports. You can also compare two different date ranges to see how your campaign performance has changed over time. If you want to understand how a campaign is performing right now, select only the last 7 days. A longer period could change all your metrics and make it difficult to understand your recent campaign performance. The Facebook ad, basically what we have been creating so far in this guide, is the smallest unit of your campaign. Ads can have different URLs, ad image, and ad copy. As you look at the Campaigns tab in the Ads Manager, you will notice the reporting table with different metrics such as cost per click, cost per conversion, impressions, unique link clicks. That is where you can get a complete overview of all your Facebook campaigns' performance. You can select a campaign by clicking on the checkbox in front of the campaign name. Next, you are able to navigate to the Ad Sets and Ads tabs to see the performance of every individual campaign unit. The great thing about this page is that Facebook automatically displays the most useful data for each campaign. Managing the Ads Reports column. Facebook is doing a very great job by displaying the most relevant ad metrics. You can always change the metrics you see in the ad report to fit the most interesting ones for you. You can either select preset reports or create new custom ad reports by clicking on Customize Columns. There are all sorts of different metrics available in Facebook Ads Manager to help you gain an immersive understanding of how your campaigns are performing. To help you get started, we have highlighted in bold the most important and insightful report metrics. Of course, the choice of your ad report metrics depends on the campaign's goal and campaign objective, in red. Performance, results, result rate, reach, frequency, impressions, delivery, social reach, social impressions, people taking action, positive and negative feedback, amount spent, engagement, post comments, post shares, page engagement, page likes, page mentions, event responses, check-ins, offer claims, etc. clicks, link clicks, unique link clicks, CTR, social clicks, etc. Messaging, new messaging conversations, messaging replies, cost per new messaging conversation. Media, video average watch time, canvas view time, 3-second video views, 10-second video views, 30-second video views, video watches at 25%, video watches at 100%, etc. Website conversions, website leads, website searches, website adds to cart, website registrations completed, cost per website conversion, cost per website purchase, website conversion value, website custom conversions, etc. Apps, desktop app installs, mobile app actions, mobile app adds to cart, mobile app purchases, cost per app install, etc. On Facebook, On Facebook purchases, leads, form, cost per on Facebook purchase, etc. Offline. Offline leads, store visits, offline purchases, offline adds to cart, cost per offline purchases, etc. Once you have created the ad reports you need, don't forget to save them. You can also set any new report as the default option. Advanced reporting with campaign breakdown. In addition to the campaign metrics you see in your Ads Manager reports, you can take your Facebook ads reporting routine one step by using the breakdown menu. By using the breakdown menu, you can break down your campaign reports by delivery, age, gender, location, browsing platform, device, time of day, etc. Action, conversion device, destination, video view type, video sound, carousel card, etc. Time, day, week, 2 weeks, month. You can select up to one criterion from each section, i.e. one from delivery, one from action, and one from time. Using the campaign breakdown, you can find answers to many questions, including which ad placements are performing the best? What times of day or weekdays deliver the most conversions at the lowest cost? What is the best performing target countries? To break down your ad campaigns by different criteria, first select one or more Facebook campaigns. Then, select a criterion from the breakdown menu. For example, in the example below, we have broken down our ad campaigns by placements, allowing us to find all the poorly performing placements and turn them off. Take your time when getting used to all the Facebook ads reporting options in the Ads Manager. After a while, you'll get a better understanding of the most important ad metrics and campaign optimization best practices. Save and automate campaign reports. Did you know that you can schedule weekly or daily Facebook campaign reports to be delivered to your inbox for free? Once you've created a report in the Facebook Ads Manager, you can save the report and have it delivered to you periodically. To do that, click on the Report tab to the right of your Breakdown tab. From here, you will see the option to export your Ads Manager dashboard into table data, create a custom report, create a sharing link, as well as view and create new reports. There's a lot of data you can compile in these automated reports, so have fun creating a few different reports as you get to know what statistics influence your business the most. Moving forward with Facebook ads. Okay, we already reached the end of the chapter 1. Hope you have a complete understanding about the basic of Facebook ads. Everything we discussed in this course is really important for your first campaign's success. You now have the understanding about how Facebook ads work, how to create a new campaign, set up the right creative, target the right audiences, and how to analyze your campaign's performance. But remember, in online marketing, there's no one-size-fits-all guide or tips. Always test your theories and continue to connect with your audiences. You need to apply what you learn and keep testing everything, never assuming that something will work just because you've read it online. Every business is different. While there are many tips and best practices we can teach you, only you know how your business works, who your customers are, and how to effectively apply what you've learned here.